a random number between 1 and 366.
Sorry, man.
You see that?
Settle down.
Fucking licked my face, dude. He licked my face. It's all on camera.
Man, Bella. Get it. See that?
Oh, man. So the number was 219 with a lick on the face from a random dog. Yeah, why don't people put their dogs on leashes? What's with just letting a dog run wild in the street? What if that wasn't a lick? What if that was a bite on my face? I didn't even know it was there. I had no idea there was a dog there. Anyway, Siri set a timer for 219 seconds.
219 seconds, counting down.
Well, Kyeemagh. We're in a place called Kyeemagh, Cooks River. Now, I had originally wanted to plank underneath the Cooks River Bridge here because I like the underneath of the bridges, but not sure if you could have heard it during that plank. It is super windy, really stormy. And I thought this might have been protected because the wind is that are coming in from the south, but it's wrapping around and into this tunnel. And you can tell by how much there's like swell in Botany Bay right now. I don't know if there's a wave to be had out there somewhere, but if I walk you in here, you're gonna hear all kinds of distorted noises because of the wind. But it's kind of worth it just to see how much white water, how much white capping is happening in Botany Bay right now. Check this out. I wanted to put it down here to do the plank. I thought this would be the nice viewpoint from here, looking that way. But check this out. We'll get out of the tunnel, into the wind. Whoa! I'm gonna blow my iPad away. It's almost blown my iPad off its stand. I don't know if I should be doing this. I can get around this little corner here and block it. I want to show you this though. Hang on a second. Let's change the lens. Whoa. I don't know how much of that you can see. I gotta get out of here. It's too windy. It's gonna knock my iPad out of my hands. Oh yeah. By the way, let's get out of the wind and now let's have a recap about what just happened there with that dog. Oh, the wind just stopped. So here's the thing. If you're gonna walk your dog in public, you damn well have to have it on a leash. I don't own a dog, but I'm 98% sure that's a rule, right? You need to have it on a leash. Unless you're in a dog park or at a beach, in certain time frames you can walk it off leash. But in public, in the general public, absolutely on a leash. And if it's not on a leash, I mean, I didn't even see them coming. They obviously came from that way. I'm here scratching, what was I doing? Oh, there was a bag floating around. I was trying to wait for that bag to sort of work out what it was doing. So he's up there, he's coming down with his dog. He saw me, he saw what his dog's doing. He should have gone up or at least whistled for his dog or done something to stop the dog from approaching me. Now, I'm dog friendly. I don't have a problem with dogs, but that thing startled the shit out of me. And if I had have jump reacted, that dog is a potential dog to react back, right? What kind of dog is that? It's one of the more aggressive dogs. And so my point is, if I had have reacted differently, that could have ended up in either the dog getting a kick to the head or the dog biting my face. As it turns out, it licked me, which I'm not that impressed with. I got to get some. I should get some. What's that stuff we used during COVID? Hand sani. I got to get some hand sani and rub my whole face because, you know, the trouble with that is now I'll touch it licked me all down here. Right? I'll touch my face and then I'll touch my eye or touch my lip and suddenly I've got whatever that dog has in my system. I can't understand that with people that, by the way, if you're a dog owner and you let your dog lick your face, why do you do that? You know they lick their balls and shit, right? Like what? I've seen videos where dogs like fully lick their owner's face up and down. It's like, are you kidding me? The dogs, they don't brush their teeth. They don't use mouthwash. That's disgusting. Ah. Anyway, if you agree with me, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you. By the way, 2 planks in 2 days. Are we on a record here? No, I just did 366 days last year. Go back and watch them. See you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Who knows?